In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Calendar to Notion in just a few simple steps. This is a super handy skill to have, as consolidating your calendar and notes can really streamline your productivity by keeping everything you need in one accessible place. So let's get started. Firstly, let's head over to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific calendar that you're eager to link. On the left-hand side, you should see a list of all your calendars. Next to each calendar's name, there are 3 vertical dots. This little icon is your gateway to more settings. Once you locate the calendar you want to work with, go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will give you a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for is the Settings and Sharing option. Go ahead and select that, and this will open up a new set of choices for your calendar. With your calendar settings now open, you'll want to find and click on Integrate Calendar. This section contains all the details you need to effectively share and embed your calendar. Here you'll see a couple of options related to the public URL and an embed code. Depending on your preference, you can either copy the public URL or the embed code. Both will work, but using the embed code gives a slightly richer integration, allowing for more customization in how your calendar will appear in Notion. Now let's shift gears and navigate over to your Notion account. Once you're logged into Notion, think about where you'd like to place your calendar. Is it going into a new project page? Or maybe a personal dashboard where you keep track of all your tasks? Wherever you decide, simply open up that page. Once you're ready, it's time to paste that calendar link or code we copied earlier. Simply click on the page where you want the calendar to appear and paste it there. Notion is pretty intuitive in reacting to pasted URLs or codes, and it should prompt you right away with the option to embed. So go ahead and click on Embed. Give it a moment, and voila! Your Google Calendar is now seamlessly linked and viewable directly within your Notion workspace. It should appear as a fully functional calendar that you can interact with, just as you would within Google Calendar itself. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully linked your Google Calendar with Notion, allowing for an integrated view of your schedule alongside your other notes and projects. It keeps everything neat, tidy, and right at your fingertips whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your workflow a little more efficient.